So good evening everyone, we are here in Bethnal Green in London because we are outside the home of Screamworks because we are going to go for a viewing of an open house, which is their new Halloween event for 2024. So we will let you know what it's like when we come out the other side. We've done all their events here, we always have a good time here. It's always something quite different. So yeah, this is Open House by Screamworks. So that's it guys, we've just come out of Open House by Screamworks and that was something completely different. Yes, it's using the same house as before, but using the rooms completely differently. We did the extreme version, which was the scares and whatever. Not going to give too much away, but it is linked to the original experiences here. Some really interesting puzzles, some confusing puzzles. At one point we were playing pool in the middle of a game. Fortunately we got wine along the way. The wine was good. We've just been demolishing a chocolate orange. I think somewhere about my person I've got some chocolate lint balls. I don't know what we did to get those, but all was appreciated. And it was great fun. It was completely different. It is an escape room experience with a horror twist. And it builds up and by the end of it, you really are desperately trying to get out. So we absolutely love that. So we want to thank Screamworks for inviting us down. If you're in London and they're only in Bethnal Green, they're not that far away, definitely recommend it. It's one of the best experiences they've done. We really enjoyed it. Very different, very unusual. And with that, we're going to sign off and we will see you at our next event.